Hi everybody! So we are here at Emerald Pool.
Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? When we hold you for the when we hold you for the
Yeah, we leave.
We're in Emerald.
What are we gonna do there?
We're gonna have some fun. And it's my birthday month.
Whoop,
So we're gonna enjoy ourselves.
Alright, Dad.
What again?
I don't
And
know.
take some awesome pics.
You know that?
Now before we get into the gist of the video, let me tell you a little bit about the Emerald Pool. It's one of the most talked about and visited pools located in Mount Wapito National Park, just 10 minutes off the Roseau Casibros Interior Road. As part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, this is the most accessible clear mountain pool fed by a 40-foot waterfall. It gets its name from the emerald green look of the water. Along the trail to the pool, there are 3 main lookout points, which gives you an overhead look of the pool, the Belfield Valley, and the Casibros community area. Surrounded by the lush greenery, this is the perfect cool environment for relaxation, rejuvenation, and revitalization after a long working week. The Emerald Pool is the perfect location as it poses as the perfect backdrop for all your special occasions. Let's get into the video. Do enjoy!
Have arrived. Look at the beautiful waterfall behind me. Yes. So everybody in the water, we enjoying. Yes. I don't want to put the phone in the water before next thing it fall and mash up is not mine. But you know, we doing our thing, we enjoying the water. The water not as cold as
You can jump. Just take your time, too. The spider?
really? You going in the forest?
You're for jumping. Take your time, don't fall down.
Okay.
You ready? It feels different when you reach on top there.
1, 2. Listen, the nervousness that hold me on top that rock is not easy. You feel in your whole body, nervous, shaking, and then you just go in, and afterwards the adrenaline rush, it's amazing. You must try it. Try it. Look at me! So that's it for us today. We have enjoyed our journey at Emerald Pool. Hi! Y'all good?
Take care.
Alright, bye-bye. So, these guys over there enjoying their little meal, you know, enjoying the pool, and it's awesome. So y'all can check it out anytime. Just come, be in nature, relax, feel free, and just have fun. Thanks for tuning in again to Explore767. This time we went to Emerald Pool. We'll see where we're headed to next. Stay tuned in, look out for more videos. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, tell a friend, share, comment, and we'll see you next time. We on this workout today. Woo. It's not easy. Lord, I'm almost there. Listen, I don't need to exercise today. I don't need to exercise when I go home later. Not at all. But put the barefoot in the towel now. Put the barefoot in the towel. Oh, you don't. That's why you sun dry. So guys, if you don't have a towel, you can do like my girl and sun dry. Sun dry works. It works. I'm tired.
Had fun.
You jump in the pool?
Don't know.
Why? For your weekday?